Good morning, Rahul. I hope you're doing well today.
Good morning, Sitara. I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm doing well, thank you. It's been 1 year since the pandemic has begun, and everyone has been working from home instead of working from
Mm-hmm.
the office. And
Yeah.
of course, this has affected everybody. So,
Mm-hmm.
the purpose of this conversation is to find out how people in the Agilisium delivery team are coping up with this work from home and how they feel about it.
Okay.
So,
It is. Yeah. Okay.
uh,
Proceed.
First, could you just explain a little bit about what it is you do in Agilisium, like about what your daily role is?
Okay. What from my perspective, right? Since I own the what I deliver and what taking care of the delivery team. So what my day-to-day activities to ensure that whether I think every work stream is I think what is doing fine with respect to the area of work what they're doing, and also do they have any issues, and also with respect to any maybe I think issues as such it might be people issues or any laptop issues or any resource needs or etc. So something like that, right? So that will be my main day-to-day work. Apart from that, I work with all leads right from different projects under the same account to see where they are heading to and do they have any issues, right? And also I touch base with people related to the people management, right? Do you have any issues personally? Because this pandemic has made everyone what I think what standstill, right? So everyone is working continuously, so they do get our issues about personally as well. So I ensure that it has been addressed, and also the feedback or any issues they face. For example, they had a headset issue, so we are trying to give an headset, right? So those small things I'm also I think collecting it from the team. On a whole, yes, that will be my day-to-day work. So I think it will be more of a project-wise and also process-wise and also recruitment. We are doing a lot of recruitments because we are expanding a lot. So we are just trying to, I think, what increase the bench strength, and so that is also happening, right? So, that is my. I think that will be on a high level day-to-day activities, and also yeah, support the other activity, other teams like admin, HR, finance, based on the request and the needs. That is how it is being currently.
I see, I see. How would you say your day-to-day work has been as compared to when you were in the office to when you were at home? Do you have more work or less work? Are you more productive or less productive? That sort of thing.
Um, exactly. Yeah, I think that's a good question. The thing is that it's how you manage, right? So if you ask me personally, it should the one's perspective, right? So the to take a step back, the work from home is an advantage as well as a disadvantage. I think a disadvantage, right? Advantage is that you be the family, you can spend time with the family, all right, and also you have your own things to be done. For example, your fitness, etc. Something. So the office travel time is completely reduced, right? So no need to travel for an hour or two and then come back and then go back. So I think no need to do that. But at the same time, people stretch a lot. Having said that, people start working from day and night, right? They don't know the time. They don't have any. I think what they need to go out and come back to office and all, right? So you don't have any commutation for that, right? So that is the problem and the advantage of working from home. So if you ask me personally, one should be I think very clear on the routine. For example, if you take me, I start my day earlier, so ensure that everything's are done by 5, and then spend time and then with the family, and then again work if you have any pending issues, right? So it should be the one with the how to take that forward, because if you don't do any fitness, right, then you will end up in back pain or something like that as well. So you need to take care of you as well, and also your family, and your health is also very important, since everyone is sitting and working for all long days. Because in office you tend to move out, you go out for a break, you just have meet different people, you stand, you do some activities here and there, right? So that is not the case in while doing some work from home. So that is where we need to look at it. So it is between both advantage and I think disadvantage.
So you would say that self-regulating has become a higher priority for you as opposed to when working in the office.
Exactly. Yeah. Because I cannot start at 11, I think 11, 12 when I used to be in office. I need to start early so that I can manage my time based on my bandwidth, right? So that will be the, and also based on the project bandwidth, because I tend to discuss with people a lot because that is my work culture, right? So if I start doing that by 12 or 1, all the half day is over, right? And I don't, and the team, then again, I need to stretch back late and then I didn't need to get it done late. So I not have updates every now and then. So that's the reason I connect early and then ensure that things are set up on the day itself, like 10 a.m., 9 a.m. Everything is set for the team. and things are going, so that I can continue my work and at the same time team can proceed with the work as well.
So would you say your work-life balance has improved or got become less since you started working from home? It sounds to me like your work-life balance is better now.
Exactly. It is better, as I said, because I don't need to commute, right? So I just self-regulate myself. I change my timings to ensure that my work-life balance is still, I think was has improved drastically. But at the same time, as I said, the I think meeting the team and interacting the team in person is always good rather than working from home, because it at times I tend to call multiple times to each person, and also I don't, and also I cannot go on. If, for example, if I'm in office, I can just so have, hey, how are you? Or how are things? Can we go for a coffee, etc. But I cannot ask those things while call, or I just need to straight get into the point. Hey, I think what is the issue? What is the expectation, or something like that, right? So it is bit. I think, but again, it's bit both ways. So again, as I said, it's personally I feel it's more productive, but at the same time, to have for example, if I'm going to do a new project or something like that, right, a new recruitment, something which needs to have a meeting with the team, then I would prefer office is far better than that. So it depends upon the, I think, what each and every day, right? So I think that's how it is.
So you're saying in when it comes to your job, work from home has definitely has its perks, but also there are certain advantages which office you cannot get now. For instance, like going and talking to your colleagues right away, or like finding them in
Exactly.
person and just taking them aside in the break room. You cannot do that here. You need to continuously follow up with them.
Exactly, exactly. Because I cannot sense the people. I think maybe what the behavior, right? For example, if they're down, if they are very high excited, so everything I cannot find it over a phone. At the same time, I cannot do a video call all the time, right? Because people might be connecting remotely where they don't have much of a bandwidth. They have so many issues are there, right? So that interaction is being missed. So I will not know the exact pulse of the team, right? That will be missed for sure. I need to understand. But at the same time, we need to give some time. I think we'll talk to them. Say that okay, you take your time. Let me know the status when you can do it. No hurry, and also you do your personal stuff as well, because they need to do the personal stuff in this time only, right? They cannot go do anything after 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. because everything is a lockdown. There's a time restriction, so we have to allow that either way, so that we give them time as well to give them freedom. At the same time, ensure that the work is being delivered.
I agree with that. Yes. So after once the second wave comes down, there is talk of a hybrid office model becoming the norm now, as opposed to the regular 9 to 5, which means you work from home most of the week and you come to office on maybe special occasions or maybe every Monday or Friday, depending on what the company believes is the right one. So if the hybrid office model becomes the norm, would you prefer to mostly work from home or mostly work from the office?
Yeah, to me personally, it'll be office if things are settled right. For example, everyone is vaccinated, there is no cases, and also I think people are also willing to come, because for me, as I said, it's more of a people work, right? So I would love to come to office because I will have again again I need to just change my routine, but that's fine. I'll have more interactivity and other stuff. But I think eventually I'm thinking the hybrid model will I think would come over eventually, because people are now different locations, because not all people are in Chennai now. So again they need to come back, relocate everything, XYZ stuff. So that will take time. So until I think if you don't have even Corona, then we can think about that option, right? So I think maybe think about the I think coming to office permanently. So I would say for me personally, is again the one. Sorry for deviating. I think what to come back again for me, what working from office is far better. But having those clauses that everything should be fine, and our things are normal.
So you're saying as long as you change your routine to manage the commute effectively and start earlier, you would prefer to work from the office again,
Exactly. Yes.
because it's easier for you to interact with people and get things done from them from that perspective.
Exactly. Exactly. We'll get to know the pulse of the team. We'll get to understand what are the issues, and everyone will be in the same room. We can start pulling in people and discuss. Now I need to call them. I need to, based on the one will be on lunch, one will be on break. So I don't need to do that. So in office, everything I can call into a room and a conference room, and then just start discussing. Simple, straightforward, and they'll have a clear plan.
Yeah, let's hope things get better soon so that you can return to your normal work routine. and you can manage the people more effectively.
Exactly, Sitara. You're wishing the same. Let's see how
Yeah.
it goes.
Yeah, it was good talking to you, Rahul, and good getting these insights. And so let's hope that we can meet again and talk about this later once things
De-
get better.
Definitely, Sitara. Thank you. Thanks for your time.
Have a good day, Rahul.